Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at this portable monitor from a company called KYY. This is the K3. Now, KYY reached out to me and asked if I could do a video on this monitor, and I'm just going to give you guys my own personal opinion about it here. This has a 15.6-inch screen, has an IPS panel. The resolution here is 1920 by 1080. It's got built-in speakers and it's got a headphone jack as well, which I appreciate. So I have looked at portable monitors on this channel before, and honestly, I like them because if I want to quickly test something out, whether it be a mini PC or a game console, these things are really easy to set up if I want to just take a look at something really quick. But there are a lot of other good use cases for a portable monitor. You could use this as a dual screen setup for, for productivity for work. So if you have a laptop and you're working on a document and you got that portable monitor set up, you can work on your main document on the main screen. And on that second screen, you can reference an email or any research you're doing on that second screen. So it could just get your work done a lot faster. Or you could use this for traveling. Let's just say you have a Nintendo Switch and you could set up the Switch with the portable monitor for a little portable gaming setup. You could also hook this up to a phone like a Samsung phone with DeX and make it into a little portable workstation. If you've never tried DeX before on a Samsung phone or tablet, it's really cool. So as you can see from the unboxing I'm doing here, it comes with all the accessories and cables you need to set this up. It's got USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. It has a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for the power supply, and it also comes with a mini HDMI to HDMI cable. So let's take a look at the monitor itself here. It's very light. It's only 1.7 pounds. Comes with this cover that also acts as a stand, so it's going to protect it when you're not using it. Has this, quick setup guide here on how to set up the stand if you want to check that out. And also this is key here. It's going to tell you all the ways you can set it up with different devices. And now I'm just going to peel off this little screen protector here. And when you're not using the monitor, you could just close it up like so. And of course it doubles as a stand, and you could just set it up to, any angle or viewing angle that you wish to use it at. And taking a look at the side of the monitor, we have a power button. We have a scroll wheel so we can scroll through the menu. And we have our headphone jack. And on the other side here, we have our mini HDMI port, and we have two USB Type-C ports. So one you could use for power, and the other one you could use for video in. All right, so let's try to use a couple different devices with this monitor. First thing I'm going to do is plug in my good old Samsung Galaxy S21 phone. And first thing I'm going to do is plug in the power here on the side. I already have the power supply plugged into the wall, and just plug in the power through the USB Type-C port over here. All right, now I'm going to plug in the USB Type-C cable to the phone right here, and then plug it in on the side of the monitor over here. And hopefully we should get a signal. All right, there you go. All right, so DeX mode is up and running. With DeX mode now here, you could just basically use this as a little mini desktop computer. It's pretty cool. And if I really wanted to use this like a real computer and add a keyboard, you could use a Bluetooth keyboard, or, what I like to do is use this USB, little dongle hub here. And basically, I just have that USB dongle is hooked up to this, the Logitech keyboard. And once I plug this in, this is through the HDMI, the mini HDMI port here. And I'll be able to use the keyboard and really just use this as a little mini computer if I wanted to. And now I'm just going to tuck this behind the monitor so it's kind of like out of the way. and just try out the keyboard. And it's got this mouse pad here as well, the trackpad. And yeah, it works fine, works great. All right, next thing I want to do is trying to use this as an extended screen for my laptop. So this is a ThinkPad T480 that I'm using. Did a video on this not too long ago. Love this laptop, it's great. Going to connect the video through USB Type-C, and it should just duplicate the screen. As you can see right there, it's duplicating the screen. But it could also, extend the screen if I want to. And to do that, I'm just going to go to Display Settings. All right, and then we're going to look for the option that says Extend these displays right here. And there you go. So now I could work on two separate things here. I could, have YouTube up on one screen, work on a document or check emails on the other screen. All right, so as you can see, I got YouTube up and running here on the ThinkPad itself, but what I'm going to do is just move it over here to the KYY monitor. So now I can keep a video up here on the KYY monitor and browse the web on the T480 here. So pretty cool. So one last thing I want to try hooking this monitor up to is my iPhone. So this is my iPhone 16 Pro, and I'm going to try playing a little Fortnite on it. I'm not going to hook up a controller to it. I'm just going to use a touchscreen on the iPhone itself, even though I hate playing with touchscreen. Just want to show you guys how how it looks, and yeah, it works pretty well. My only real critique of this monitor, I would say, I wish it would get a little bit brighter. Personally, I just like to have the monitor nice and bright. Some people might not mind it, but I would just wish it was just a tad more brighter. All right, so if you are looking for a portable monitor for travel or to extend the screen space for your computer or desktop, the KYY monitor is definitely worth taking a look at. This is one of the top selling monitors on Amazon at the moment. It's actually number 2 right now. The price does fluctuate, but I've seen it go as low as 69 bucks. I will have a link in the description below if you want to take a look at it. But that's going to do it for this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching.